Lalakad na po kami sa bridge. Tirayan na namin ang pinakamaliit namin pizza.
Ganun lang siya.
Nakahilo yung bus.
Ganun lang po siya.
Hilo ako sa bus. Pero feel ko nakangakabang tulog. Pagpasok na kami sa loob. Pakapalan na lang na mukha to. Ayan na po siya, guys. Di ba sobrang liit niya lang? Ganun lang siya, oh.
Ano ka na lang try? 75.
Saan ka tumambay? Dito ka pa talaga sa toys. Sa toys and Ross ka pa tumambay.
Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection in every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion.
Guys, nag-meet siya ng tao. Nakita niya yung katrabaho niya, may kasamang kabe.
Oh, hindi kami. Yeah, sorry, ito yung barbecue.
Barbecue.
Dalawang barbecue sa sorry.
Ito po yung cycle. Thank you po.
Kami naman po yung burger.
Climbing high enough to see the sky, to light up all the colors of its motion, leave every obstacle behind. I promise it could happen any day now, and soon enough I'll also see the...
Katagal-tagal naman, oh.
Yung mga malas, maswerte.
Sabi ni Kuya, alis na! Yeah!
Sabi ko,
Your goodness. Trapped, you get trapped. You're trapped. Yung fence, para na siya magbukas ng ilaw. Ay, ba't dyan? Nakita na sila. Ay, naku, nakakainis na. Tulad na naman. Si Annabelle na naman.
ano yung joke ni Annabelle?
Crayon si kay Annabelle. Ah, di ba? Sa'yo eh. Wala lang ako nahanap na crayon. Sabi niya. Dahil nga. Sabi niya.
Ayun.
Best friend.
We finally got around to writing up a book. Life was terrible. We never stopped having adventures.
Caught behind Venetian blinds.
So, tapos na akong nanood. Dito na lang. Ano siya?
Hindi siya nakakatawa. Yung story. Yung story. Hindi siya nakakatawa.
Yung story talaga. Ganda naman siya, guys. Good luck.
Kung nakasupport ka naman dun sa mismong storyline from Conjuring 1.
What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along.
Okay guys, we're on our way. Saan ba tayo?
It's time for me to
Sa isang cafe. Kakain muna kami. Drink ng coffee at magtsikahan. Kasi chismas ko.
lost along
Pagchichismisan namin kayo.
fall, pulling stitches. Time to let go. So come what may.
Wala video ka?
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend.
Ubus na ang food, pero ang chika, hindi pa. Pauwi na po kami. It's, what time is it? 12:55. Di ba kayo sinabi, di ba? Chismisan.
Doesn't feel like it was long.
Wala namang magagalit sa amin. Sa'yo meron. Sa amin wala. For some reason, kanina pa kami iniikot-ikutan ng polis. Ganap ng tatlong babae. Na masama. Which is hindi kami yun. Aesthetic. Aesthetic sa...
Finally had enough. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend to the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over you chose.
Sinubukan talaga namin na ituloy tong lakad na to. Dahil sa kabila ng pagiging busy ng bawat isa, alam namin kakailanganin namin ng presensyang parang pahinga. Yung hindi na kailangan ng magarbong pagkain, simpleng usap, tawanan, tsikahan lang. Masaya pa rin. Parang dati lang. Parang mga bata lang.